Hey y'all, I just wanted to create a video that reminded you of the tips and tricks I shared with you on EBSCO. So remember the user ID and the password, you have to type in exactly. The password is capital U dash capital P prep 2020. When you sign in, you're going to click on the second one, EBSCO host research databases. And then you're going to select all, and it'll click all of them for you and then continue. Once you've done that, your search bar pops up. I just want to remind you of some things. So if you type in atomic bomb, for example, you're going to come up with about 3,800 results, which is a lot of results to sift through, and they're probably not all going to be about how the atomic bomb influenced World War II. Also, when you search it like this, what it's doing is it's searching every single article that has the word atomic and every single article that has the word bomb. So if we want to make sure that the phrase is being searched, we put it in quotation marks. Now what's going to happen is it's just going to search articles with the phrase atomic bomb. And you can see our results have gone down by 1,000. Now we don't want to just search up just the atomic bomb. We want to know how it influenced World War II. So I'm going to use my Boolean operator. That's what it's called. And what this is going to do is it's going to search articles that have the phrase atomic bomb and whatever other phrase I put in. So I'm going to put in World War II. I'm putting World War II in quotations because, again, I want it to search up the phrase, not just the word world or war or two. And as you can see now, I only have 86 results, which is much more manageable, a lot easier to go through. When you click on the article, and actually I'm going to click on another one that we didn't do last time. So say we click on this one. There's always an abstract, and so the abstract is the summary, so you want to make sure you read this first before you dive into the article. Now you're probably looking at this and wondering, where is the article? You have to click on PDF full text for it to give you the article, the full text. Once you click on PDF full text, it's just taking a while to load. There it is. And now you can see we have the PDF file. And it's 9 pages, which is not bad. We can go ahead and read through this and see, this looks like a really promising source. It's obviously talking about World War II and the fall of the Japanese. If you wanted an easier way to search through this source, you could download the PDF and click Control F on your keyboard. What that does is it's going to pop up a little search bar like this, and you can type in the word you need, and it's going to highlight for you every place that that word is found. So you can see the atomic bomb is here. You can go down here, here, and this is a really easy way to scan the text and then find the words you're looking for and then read around that. All right. When you want to go back to the result list, you just click on the back button. And that's it. There are more things that you can do, but I think that's the basics of it. And this technique works for JSTOR and Google Scholar as well. And again, if you're having a hard time, like maybe you're not finding things with the atomic bomb, type in nuclear weapons. Or type in nuclear weapon and see what that results in. Alrighty, sometimes if you're not finding something, it might just be because you're searching with a term that isn't used as often. So as you can see, when I typed in nuclear weapon, I only got 5 results. So typing in atomic bomb actually works a lot better. But I found this one, the race to build a bomb, which might be helpful. Alrighty, y'all. Evidence boxes are due Tuesday and Wednesday.